my flexible or not so flexible little stars? Today we'll stretch, breathe, and look dangerously peaceful. I promise no splits will be harmed. Well, maybe just a little. Ready? Let's bend a little.
Let's begin with a gentle spine stretch. Deep breaths, warming up the spine. Focuses on your breath. Open your chest. Ease into the back bend, no rush. Listen to your body. Smile at your progress.
That's it. If you are strange, breathe, and smile, already won. If you are just watching well, that's a kind of meditation too. This was Tiny Lolly. See you on the mat, my enlightened kitties. Bye!